eagle wanted to find a diamond to give it to the bank and he gets rich. So the friends they said they will never ever find the diamond. But the eagle not to give up. He's finding, but he not. But there was a cliff and he saw a diamond and he flied, but his wings is broken because of the wings is broken now. Because flying too much make the eagle be the world. And he called the friends. Like this. Hello. Oh. And the friends come over, and the jumper grab the eagle and then jump over and until he goes to the top. And there was a monster guarding. And there was a monster guarding the diamond. Hey, why are you blocking the diamond? Hey, and his friends came over and saw this. They thought he died, but not yet. He has a strong head and his beak threw him to the ground and died. And he grabbed the diamond and he gave it to the back and get to live. The end.